At ELCA Laboratories, we ensure top-quality metals like steel, titanium, and copper through precise gas analysis. Here, our engineer prepares a sample for the ONH Analyzer. The sample is melted in a graphite crucible within an inert gas atmosphere, releasing diffused oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen. Advanced sensors then detect these gases: infrared for oxygen and hydrogen, thermal conductivity for nitrogen, providing precise measurements. Controlling gas levels is crucial for achieving the strength, durability, and performance needed in manufacturing industries such as steel, titanium, and copper. At ELCA Laboratories, our precision in gas analysis ensures excellence in metal quality.